we were in sports. Hazel, real friendship cannot be so one-sided. You can't just order people around.
But that's the only way I'm sure to get what I want. Oh, now I hear it. Okay, maybe I was a little hard on you guys.
A little? I have an ant eating a cranberry in my cranium.